You might be surprised what actually qualifies as a workers' comp injury. Hi, I'm David Ledyard. I'm a workers' comp attorney in Maryland, and I'm back to talk about some of the most common types of workplace injuries we see. Now, this isn't legal advice because I don't know your specific situation, but if you are hurt at work, you should reach out to an attorney. Here's some types of cases we've actually handled. We see slips and falls all the time. Somebody's working, a liquid spilled on the floor, nobody cleans it up, people slip, fall, lots of injuries to legs, backs, head injuries as a result of these slips and falls. Probably the most common injury we see are lifting injuries. Injuries to back and neck from lifting something heavy. Maybe it's an awkward situation, maybe the object's too heavy, maybe somebody's supposed to help out and they were called out sick. But the fact of the matter is a lot of lifting injuries happen at work. We also see repetitive motion injuries like carpal tunnel all the time. And that's not just at jobs where somebody's at a desk maybe typing, but we've seen it with dog groomers, people who have to do the same motion over and over, specifically if they put a lot of pressure on a joint while doing the repetitive motion. It could cause a lot of strain in the nervous system. Unfortunately, we see a lot of machinery injuries where people get their legs and arms caught in equipment. Could suffer minor injuries, but it could also be obviously catastrophic. You could lose a limb or suffer a permanent injury to that particular body part. Unfortunately, there's a lot of workplace injuries that come from negligent security on the job site. Somebody's working late at night, unfortunately there's not enough security, or the security guard has fallen asleep or stops doing their job and somebody gets attacked. Unfortunately, sometimes it's coworkers attacking other coworkers as well as a result of a petty dispute that turns into something much more. One of the most common types of injuries we handle are workplace motor vehicle accidents. Somebody's driving as part of their job, they get in a wreck, it may or may not be their fault. The fact of the matter is it doesn't matter, it's covered by workers' comp. It's not just physical injuries that cause workplace injuries. Certain stress-related injuries, harassment, and occupational illnesses can qualify too, depending on the situation. That's a lot more fact-specific. Some of those cases are hotly contested, and the law is very uncertain in that area, but it's an emerging field. For occupational illnesses and other injuries that are caused over time and not from a single occurrence, we'll have another video that talks about those injuries. Comment below if you've had a workplace injury and give us a follow if you'd like to learn more about your rights as a worker. Continue to look through our library of videos for more information about workplace injuries.